So here's a little breakdown of how this switch works. We'll start with the switch, a sweet 90s looking stereo, and the ignition. The stereo has a main plug in the back. In that plug are speaker wires on one side, sub and illumination wires, and lastly a black ground, yellow power, and red signal wire. The yellow power wire provides power to the stereo at any time, on or off, and is connected to a constant battery positive power source. The stereo will not, however, operate until it receives power to the red signal wire. Sometimes we see vehicles that have the signal wire connected directly to constant power. While the stereo may have an on-off button, there will always be a constant drain on the battery. If the signal is connected to a keyed-only power source, the keys must remain in the ignition while in use, which can cause several issues while camping. This is where the radio toggle comes into effect. We give the switch constant power from the yellow wire of the stereo. Next, we connect the stereo signal to the red wire of the switch, and then the orange wire of the switch to a keyed power source. With the switch in one position, the stereo power is signaled by the key, like a normal vehicle. With the switch in the opposite position, the stereo power is a constant signal, and can be used while camping or at a drive-in without any other system taxing the battery while you use the stereo.